Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I just like to show you how to fix microphone is not working problem in Windows 10. So let's begin our video. So first you just need to check your microphone with another device, it's working or not. Then if it's working, then it's perfect. Now you need to check microphone port, also laptop or PC port, it's perfect or not. If everything is perfect, then you need to move on your PC. Just go on here, start button, and now right click on your mouse, and then you just need to select on device manager here. So after open on it, make it bigger, and you can just need to move on here. At the first option you can see audio inputs and outputs section. Just click on this arrow icon and you just need to select in the first option. Here you can see microphone array. So you just need to right click on your mouse here. Now there have a lot of options. You just need to select on update driver and make sure it's update. You just need to update this driver. After complete update, you just need to restart your PC or laptop, and then you need to check your microphone, and after that I hope your microphone is working perfectly. So hope guys this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone for watching this video.